Video ini disponsori oleh Perdana Goodie Bag.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Miss Lia Guru TK. Well, for today, let's learn again about numbers. Look, last time we have learned about numbers and quantity, number 1 until number 3, right? Now let's continue. Do you know what number comes after number 3? Yes, 4. Can you repeat? 4. This is number 4. And after number 4 is what number? 5. Good. This is number 5. And after number 5 is number 6. This is number 6. So let's repeat after me. Number 4, 5, and number 6. Okay, I'll show you one more time. This is number 4. This is number 4. This is number 5. This is number 5. And the last one, this is number 6. This is number 6. So for today, we are learning about these 3 numbers, which are number 4, number 5, and number 6. Okay. Now, I want you to clap your hands 6 times. Can you try? Yes, let's try together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey! Can you repeat one more time? Let's clap our hands 6 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. We have clapped our hands 6 times. Now, how about let's clap our hands 5 times. Ready? Let's clap our hands 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we clap our hands 5 times. Look, 5 times. You want to try again? Yes, let's try again. Let's clap our hands again 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now, how about this? Number 4. Can you clap your hands 4 times? Let's clap again together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Okay, let's try one more time. Let's clap our hands 4 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So, before I mentioned the numbers of number 4, 5, and 6, and we also clap our hands, right? According to the numbers. Now, how about see the quantity of these numbers by matching the number and the object? You want to see? Yes. Look. We are going to match the numbers with, you want to see? With 6 times. Ta-da! You know what kind of card this is? This is, sorry, this card, the X toy. So I have X toys over here. Okay, it's more than 10. Let's see. Look, I need this back. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and the last one is 25. Wow, there are 25 egg toys over here. Look. Now let's try. Number is number 4. Look, this is number 4. So how many egg toys do I have to put inside this bag? Let's check. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it already? Yes. 4 egg toys for number 4. Okay. So, look, I put it over here. Let's check again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Look. So the quantity for number 4. This is 4 eggs, and this is number 4. So 4 eggs for number 4. Okay. Now let's put the eggs again. Egg toy. How about this? For number 5. Can you help to put the eggs? Yes. This is number 5. So how many egg toys do you have to take? 5. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I take one more? No, because it's already 5 over here. Let's check again. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, oopsie. 5 eggs here for number 5. This is 5 eggs for number 5. Okay, this is the quantity of number 5. Okay, put the eggs again. The egg toys. And the last one, this is number 6. Let's put the quantity for number 6. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can I take another one? No. Can I take from this bag? Put it here? No, because it's already 6. Let's check again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. So 6 egg toys for number 6. Okay, 6 egg toys for number 6. Okay, let's put the egg toys together again. Okay. Now let's repeat one more time about the number. I'm going to ask you one more time. Okay, I put it here first. This is number 4, number 5, number 6. So which one is number 6? Is it number 6? No. Is it number 6? No. Is it number 6? Yes. This is number 6. Okay. And how about number 5? Which one is number 5? Is it number 5? No. Is it number 5? No. Is it number 5? Yes, this is number 5. And the last one, which one is number 4? Yes, this is number 4. It's easy, right? So we have learned about number 4, 5, and number 6 together with their quantities. Goodbye to all the numbers. Bye. Let's say goodbye to the egg toys. Bye, egg toys in the bag. That's all for today, and let's say goodbye to Miss Leah. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye. Thank you. And see you next time. Bye.
Video ini disponsori oleh Perdana Goodie Bag.